It's very important that you have smoke alarms fixed in your house, at least one on each level, one upstairs and one downstairs. There are two basic types of smoke alarm, ionization and optical. The ionization smoke alarm is very sensitive to small smoke particles produced by fast flaming fires such as from a chip pan. An ideal option for near a kitchen where there is often cooking smoke and steam is this one with a hush button. You just press the button to silence a nuisance alarm while you're cooking. A very good option for hallways and stairways is this alarm with an escape light. In an emergency situation where you might become disoriented, it will guide you and your family to safety. This alarm is powered for 10 years, so there's no battery changing. It also has a silencer button to silence nuisance alarms. The optical smoke alarm is more effective at detecting larger smoke particles produced by slow-burning fires such as foam-filled upholstery. Smart link sets are also available where you can link up to 12 alarms in one set. There is also a kitchen fire alarm which will not be triggered by smoke but by heat. What's great about this system is if one alarm is triggered, they all go off. And the beauty of it is there's no cabling required. Carbon monoxide is highly dangerous. You can't see it or smell it. In fact, it is often called the silent killer. You can protect your home from the dangers of this deadly gas by installing a carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide alarms should be installed in every room in the house where there's a fossil fuel appliance burning, such as coal fire, gas fire, oil burner or cooker. Also available is a version with a memory feature that records and displays any carbon monoxide present in the room. Also available is a plug-in version with a memory feature. No battery changing for added peace of mind. And for more helpful hints, go to woodiesdiy.com.